What's up, everybody? Long time no see. I know a lot has happened since my last video. I mean, a lot. You're looking at some of it right now. I don't want to address all the things that have happened in the last 2 months right now in this video. Today I'm just gonna go fly, check out fireworks. It's the 4th of July right now. Probably posting this on the 5th of July. We're gonna go check out fireworks, mission number 1, and mission number 2 is to go fly over my new neighbor in Louisiana, because that's where I currently live now, and wave at him and his kids. And yeah, it should be a lot of fun. I don't know if I've ever paramotored during the 4th of July. I've definitely flown a helicopter and watched fireworks, but this is gonna be different. And all this stuff and Elena and where I'm living and all that, I'm gonna address later. But for now, let's get started and get in the air. I don't know if anyone ever told you this, but Louisiana is hot and humid. Oh yeah, baby. Big old mirrors now. Much more better to look at yourself. Taking the nice camera up tonight. Can you see that? It's right there. Right there. Just in case I could catch some fireworks and stuff. GoPro will make it look 200 miles away, so got a little zoom going on. But yeah, what's the first thing you do when you move to a new place as a paramotor pilot? You find places to fly. And this is mine. It is 5 minutes from my house, and it is not particularly ideal, but it'll do. We actually have a really good one. Our realtor's best friend has a gigantic field. It's an amazing spot, but it would probably take 20 minutes to get to, so I like this one. It's close to the house. So let's plug into the Gen Falcon and get this thing in the air. This is my second launch ever from this field. Let's go. Right for the power lines, baby. Alrighty. Someone stop to watch. I got a thumbs up. Always cool to get thumbs up, you know. You're into that kind of thing. Thumbs and whatnot. This is it, guys. This is Louisiana. Crazy. It is just a sea of trees here. Like I said, we got 2 missions, fireworks and neighbors. Let's get some altitude and go say hey to the neighbor. But before tonight's flight, I looked up how high fireworks go. And I hear the biggest ones like New York and stuff go as high as 1,000 feet. I'm currently at 1,000 feet, which is more like maybe 700-800 above the ground. So I think any type of fireworks that people have around here, I'll be good to go. I hear a lot of gunshots going off rather than fireworks. I gotta feel these guys out in Louisiana. Who knows, they might be firework happy paramotor killers, but I doubt it. I've only met nice people so far. Okay, we found the neighbors in my house. Goal number 1 accomplished. Yeehaw! Woo! I guess let's go mess around the area now that we did that. Let's go check out the local grocery store, the local retirement community. Always gotta check out the towers. Let's go. What is up, Blinky? And my paraglider catches on fire due to radiation. Man, towers are always intimidating. Another thing big here is logging, apparently. I've seen 2 of these kind of areas. There's one much bigger down south. There's just logs laid out, getting sprinkled on. We should definitely get a little lower and check this out. Woohoo! Let's check for power lines and then we'll definitely do a little cruise around them. Wow. Oh, that's the way I'm going. Look at all those deer. 4 of them. Whew. Man gets taken out by gigantic sprinkler. Wow. Oh gosh, it's coming this way. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Insane. There's a rainbow. These logs stink. If anyone knows anything about logging, do you think this is just water coming out, or does it have some special poopy smelling chemical in it? I'm not getting wet, but... Whoa! That was interesting. I felt some fluttering of my wing near the spray. That's another thing that's pretty big here is the trains, man. They come by all the time. Maybe it's just a big logging community. Wow, look at all these getting debarked. Too cool. Some serious... That's a saw right there. Dude, let's go check out all these buses. Always got to check out the local water tower too, so we'll get this en route to the buses. Home of the Wampus Cats. Now you know. Learn something new every day. Looking good. I think I'm going to come in and fly right through that gate. Which would be really embarrassing if that gate had a wire going across it. More like painful. What's up, school buses? Yep, we still alive. So this is one of the local lakes, Lake Vernon. I wonder if anyone's gonna be shooting fireworks out here. Oh, I smell it. Or just let your feet dangle underneath you, and if they touch the plants, you're like, alright, so the cage must be about 2 feet away from the ground. It is a nice night. I mean, I saw like calm winds, 4th of July, and was just like, I cannot waste this opportunity. And it is definitely showing. Get below the bank too. Imagine not having the power to climb back up. You just have to walk back up and climb for yourself. Gotta remember, I'm flying the Nitro, not the Moster, but it's got plenty of power. What is up, Shadow? This is cool though, just dropping down in the dam. Heck, in a pinch this could be a really good launch site actually. A little hilly, but doable. Crop duster. I'm not used to seeing that where I come from, but down in Louisiana, a lot more crops around here than North Kakalaki. And then in Korea, they had crop dusters, but they were using drone crop dusters. The People's Field we usually fly from, I think I'm going to fly there. And just see if anyone's outside enjoying July 4th, because I got time until I'm going to see some fireworks, so let's do it. So in order to get to their house, it's like a sea of tree crossing. I mean, there is just trees as far as the eyes can see. It's crazy. I'd landed these roads down here. There's enough space. So this is the field, the first field Elena and I ever flew from in Louisiana. Our realtor's friend Heather gave us permission. Pretty awesome. That dog, I think might be deaf. Doesn't seem to mind. I don't want to scare it. It's seen me before. Just walking home. Has arthritis. It walks from one side of the field to the other. I don't think they're here, but I'll have to send them a video. Off we go. Little Roman candle action. Get it? There we go. Woo! There's some bigger ones. These guys have been consistently popping them off. It must be like an event going on. Whoa! There's a good one right there. But I'm at about 30 minutes after sunset, more like 28. I'm gonna get down on the ground to my van right there. It's been a long time since I've landed 30 minutes after sunset. We're just gonna say the wind's the same direction. Oh yeah, baby. Weird depth perception going on there. Woo, hope you guys enjoyed that one. I sure did. I was like a little kid out there, but I don't know if you can hear it, but people are out there having a blast right now. It's like 9 p.m. There you go. But I'm gonna close this one now. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more Now Louisiana adventures. It's gonna be fun. See ya.